Morning, actually, afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. What's happening? I am here in Trafalgar, and why am I here? I don't know. So this is the first actual recording for the day, and I've left home, took the highway, kept on going all the way up to Trafalgar. I'm starting a 3-day road trip, but I really don't know where to go. I don't know what to do, really. And motorcycles over there. So I just got the fuel done here in Trafalgar, and I'm gonna go to Mirboo North. So, oh, there you go, another motorcycle going through. He's gonna have fun. So from here on, I've decided to turn right into the C469 and going towards Mirboo North. Idea would be to take some twisting roads now, go all the way down to Mirboo North. A couple of days ago, Terence messaged me, another rider from a motorcycle collective riders group, and he messaged me and he's like, oh, have you done this road? And I want to know what's the condition of it. And those guys are going to Port Albert next Sunday. So I was like, no, I've not done that road. May as well just do that now. I really don't know where to go, where I'm going to end up. So around 4 or 5 o'clock, I'll find out what's the deal, where I'm staying for the night, and yeah, go from there. But the road ahead is really, really good, right? So it's some of the best riding we're going to have for now. The boring highway is finished. We're going to go now. Yeah, let's go on the road. So if you are here who has not done this road, just be a little bit careful. And there's a lot of gravel on the road as well. It's not 100% gravel or not the dirt road, but there are turns where there's gravel. So take the turns a little bit slow. Not a very smooth road. But Churchill is about 19 kilometers from here. So what I'm going to do is get back on the bike, go towards Churchill. It's only about 2 o'clock right now. So around 4 o'clock I'll stop somewhere, have lunch, and find out where I'm staying for the night. So still got a few hours. called Stratford. I'm not staying here. This is just one of the nice reserves that I'm passing by. And I'm just gonna have some food, which is here. So I've got some noodles cooking. Most likely, I will stay in Cairns River tonight. I can even go up to Bombala, you know. But after I left that place, I got to Churchill, or it's Churchill. It's not Churchill. No, it's Churchill. And I passed the big cigar, right? So it's like this triangle. It's like this. That's it. It's like a cigar. They call it the big cigar. When I was going through Trafalgar, the Garmin map was like, do you just want to go through the straight route, or do you want to go through this other route, which will save you about 10 minutes? I took that. Because the straight route was going to be just through the A1, you know. But I'm like, look, it's saving a little bit of time. It's a little bit of a different scenery as well, instead of just the highway. From here, the road gets better, right? So I'm gonna go back towards the A1 and then turn right at some point, which will take me onto A1. Cairns River is about 2 hours from here. About like 2.5. No, none of these sites are powered.
No, it's free camping, it's free, and you've just got water, toilets, and that's it. It used to be a campsite, that's why they've got them there.
Sorry? It used to be?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know any powered sites available, like anywhere else in Cairns River?
Any which powered sites?
Powered sites, yeah.
No.
Oh, okay.
No. Not down here.
I'll try Bombala then. Okay, thank you. Sorry, the phone got disconnected. So yeah, I'll make my way over there now. Is that okay? No. No worries. Thank you very much. Thanks. My name is Hardik. So it's Hardik. Hi. Oh, where's the office?
Pardon?
Office. Where's the office?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. But we're camping there. Excuse me, where's the office?
There's no one here at the moment.
Okay, thank you. At least he knows there's nobody here at the moment.
Yeah.
People just come in and set up, but normally you ring ahead and they tell you where to.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. This will be my day for today. It's about 19 degrees right now, and it's going to get cold tonight. Yep. I can expect that.